during an emergency scenario when every second counts? What if we could send an enhanced unmanned aerial vehicle into danger rather than risk more lives? Having vital information could mean the difference between life and death.
We specialize in deploying robots, unmanned vehicles, in what we call confined spaces, where you don't see flying machines and robots being deployed because it's complex to go there.
The Navigate is an unmanned aerial vehicle designed to go where other vehicles can't. This is due to its unique flying characteristics that allow it to maneuver at zero speed and pitch hover at various angles. Once the Navigate is given a mission, it's able to think on its own. Internal sensors create a map of the infrastructure, allowing it to maneuver through highly confined spaces, such as collapsed buildings, mines, and beneath tree cover.
There's a need to be able to navigate in a confined space where you don't have GPS, where you might have difficulties with communication because you have walls. Search and rescue personnel, they have the suspicion that there might be something down there, but they don't have the data.
Get the subject down, northeast corner basement level.
Having the ability to maneuver in confined spaces allows search and rescue personnel to verify the suspicion.
Hey, we're with search and rescue here. Can you hear me?
And potentially save lives.
The subject is conscious.
We're hoping to make a difference, being able to get the information faster and provide assistance to a number of possible missions that we actually perform every day.
As this technology continues to mature, more people will be kept from harm's way, and emergency personnel will have a revolutionary new tool at their disposal.